And your cards? Okay, so Kendall, let's do flashcards and your journal. Okay, Kendall, can you sit in your chair? Can you sit in your chair? Oh, we dropped a card. Oops, that's okay. All right, Kendall. Frozen journal. What is, remember? Ooh, what's this from? Do you remember? Kendall, right, at the Music Museum. Who is that? You were playing your what? In your kitchen with your magnets? We're gonna do a new one today? We're gonna do a new journal. We're gonna do your flashcards today. Okay? You say ice cream? What sound is this? It is ice cream. Can you say mmm? Good. What about this one? Do you remember what this is? Shell. Can you say shell? Good try. Okay, what's next? Plane. What does a plane say? Do you remember? Ah, good. Oh, who's this? Mouse. What does the mouse say? Good job. Oh, you know this one? Ghost. What does a ghost say? Ooh. High five. Okay. What's next? You want to do your cards? Okay, let's do cards. Did our sounds. Good job. Animals. Let's do animals first. Come sit with Mommy. Kendall. Oh, we're going to get all of them? Okay, good girl. Here, I'll put them right here for you. Which ones do you want to do first? The colors and shapes? They might be mixed up. Can you open it? Oh. I think these might be mixed up, but that's okay. Good job. They are mixed up, and that's fine. Do you know what this is? Truck. What color is the truck? Close. Red. Good job. Red truck. Do you know what these are? Same color. What? They look like Kendall shoes. What are these? Kendall's shoes. What color? Do you know what color this is? Red. What is this? Teddy bear. Is it soft? Can you feel the feet? Soft. Good girl. Do you know what this is? What? Tractor. Good. Who's this? Baby. What does a baby say? Who is this? What is this? A what? A what? It's a ducky. What's a ducky say? Quack, quack. What color is the ducky? What? Yellow. Okay, we have time for a couple more. Ooh, do you know what this is? Sheep. Is the sheep soft? Ba. That it does say ba. Oh, what color is the sheep? White. Say fishy. Or fish. Ooh, it's pretty. It's blue, and do you see another color? Yellow. Is that your favorite color?
Yeah.
What is it?
Purple.
Purple what? Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
Dress. And who's that? Who's in this? What is this? A mirror. Can you say a mirror? Who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Can you see yourself? Can Mommy see herself? Yep, that's Mommy. Who's that? It's Kendall. That is, hi. Can you show Daddy? High five, babe. Do you want to try the last card? This one's really tricky. Zebra. Good job, babe. Oh, done. See, they were mixed up and you still got it. Good job, baby. We're going to write those sounds and those words down.